Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore and solve some intriguing wooden puzzles. These puzzles are not just fun, but also a great way to challenge your problem-solving skills and sharpen your mind. Let's dive right in. While showcasing the stacking bead puzzle, here's our first puzzle, a stacking bead challenge. The goal is to arrange these beads in a specific pattern, which might seem simple but requires careful planning. For interlocking blocks. Next, we have an interlocking wooden block puzzle. The objective here is to take it apart and then reassemble it, a classic brain teaser that tests spatial reasoning. For other puzzles. This one is particularly fascinating. It's both a puzzle and a piece of art. Each has a unique mechanism that makes it fun to solve. Here we have an intriguing rotating bead puzzle. The challenge lies in aligning the colored beads into specific groups or patterns while navigating the rotating mechanism. As you can see, the puzzle consists of multiple rows of beads housed in a circular wooden casing. The beads can move within their slots, and the rows rotate independently. This adds a layer of complexity as every move affects the arrangement. Let's use the red bead here. By fixing it as our anchor, we can work on arranging the adjacent beads into a pattern. Make a move. Notice how rotating this segment shifts the positions of both rows. This interconnected movement means we need to think a few steps ahead. A useful tip for puzzles like this is to focus on one color at a time. Instead of solving the entire puzzle in one go, I'll start by grouping all the red beads together. Now that the red beads are aligned, let's move to the black ones. This process might involve temporarily disrupting the red beads' alignment, but we can adjust them later. One tricky part of this puzzle is avoiding trapping beads in an incorrect row. To overcome this, I'll rotate the adjacent row slightly, freeing up space for repositioning. With most of the beads now in place, the final step is to fine-tune the alignment by making small adjustments. Let's rotate the top row carefully to lock everything into position. Make the final move. And there we go.